infinitive verb 1 pen thu nung le tu lai tak chi lak na a hi ton tung aman ton tung te igen nop te ki jang hi past abeisa verb 2 pen abeisa hun te igen nop te ki jang hi past participle verb 3 pen verb to have te nung le passive voice akichi bawl na thuak na alak te nagen nop te jang in present participle verb 4 pen subject le object muna jang thei in verb to be te nung preposition te nunga jong ki jang thei hi thei ding tense te isin te akiching zoding in sin to ni verb to do to ki sai tom ki kum ni verb to do ichi chang ina do does did done doing chi teng hi ding hi infinitive verb 1 a do does past verb 2 a did past participle verb 3 a done present participle verb 4 I get it verb ing I get it gerund doing after verb to do nung a verb to do hit a verb to do hit a verb na zat som le infinitive verb 1 bekinga chi zong na siam te ton tungun verb to do pen atam zo in dot na ki chi question te a ki jang hi verb to do present tense to lai gwal kisin ni subject verb to do object ai ke le infinitive verb 1 jong ongom thei ding hi I do she does they do it does you do she muna does does ki koi bahang hiam chi le she pen third person singular atom khat a hi chang ina verb muna es akibe lapi do tang ina does ki koi to ma bang ina it muna zong does ki koi dot na subject le verb to do pen amun helding infinitive verb 1 pen ang yang e ding question mark koi ding to pen dot na ong swak hi verb to do subject infinitive verb 1 question mark do you smoke don't kieng na answer bang chi bang ina dong ding hidan ki dot le chi na hi subject verb to do infinitive verb 1 pahilo lamin na don noble no I do not I kele no I don't smoke ahilamin na don noble yes I do I kele Yes, I do smoke. Chidanin nang le nang nakisinin anwaya te en lai ni. Verb to do, subject, infinitive, verb 1, question mark. Do I smoke? Ken za katep yam. Does she cook? Ama nuin ahuan yam. Do they play? Ama te kimolu yam. Does it work? Tua kizang te yam. Do you like nang na deih yam. Dot na WH or how. Angya nge ding subject le verb to do amun khek ding infinitive verb 1 to kite question mark. WH ichi chang ina dot na ibol te akizang what, why, when, where, which, who, whose, whom ichi Theih. What does she cook? Dot na ama nuim bang wan hiam. What does she cook? Don jing na answer. She subject, cooks verb, object fish. She cooks fish. Ama nuin ngasa wan hi. How. Verb to do, subject, infinitive, verb 1, question mark. How do I smoke? Ken bang chi bang in za tep ding. What does she cook? Ama nuin bang wan yam. Where do they play? Amau te ko kimo lu hiam. When does it work? Tua im bang hunin kisang te yam. Who do you like? Nang kwa de pen na yam. Present tense, past tense, perfect form, past participle, progressive form, present participle. Verb to do to dot na te ahi zongina, don na te ahi zongina, hun na nga te nang le nang nakisinin lungdam hi.